she's actually...
No, wait! We need to go back in time, figure out where we messed things up, and fix it!
But we'll miss the Turtle Girl burping contest!
And I ate them. No, I swear I am not. Sorry, got carried away.
Sick. Mini fridge, big burps. Enjoy the irony.
Yes, especially now.
So...
Now get lost. You're starting to stink up the place.
Mandy!
Hanging out in the alley. Figures. Excuse me. I win! In your face, Milkin! Oh!
You'll be burping like...
I need a fumigation squad, just...
Oh!
Thing like that.
It just makes you boring.
So long, Sylvia. It was so nice to eat you.